Do not pay 3,000 for an agency. My biggest advice for those who wants to come here to Canada through student pathway is to not pay 3,000 or anything too expensive for an agency, except if they're an immigration consultant. Alam mo ba na may mga former students na tumutulong for aspiring international students to come to Canada, help them in the process for student pathway for free, as long as yung mga papasukan mong school ay yung partner schools nila. But you also have to be mindful kasi those people usually work as a team, like an agency, and marami silang kausap. So technically, hindi lahat nila ma-accommodate yung questions nyo. So my advice is to find a brand like Unistudy who works as an individual and not as a team. Kasi that way, matututukan lahat ng questions nyo. And it's a one-on-one coaching. And our 1,000 plus students can testify